Hi guys, this is the basics of our photo booth. You want to pick which item you want to choose, so a gift, photo, video, and it's just going to immediately start counting and take the picture. This one is set up for 2 pictures. Once it's done, you will hit next in the right corner, and you can put in your cell phone number for it to text to you or airdrop it. Those are the 2 fastest ways. And it's that simple. After that, you can X out or retake. It's going to take you back to the home screen. That's an example of airdrop.